The reason for joining Amazon is just because simply I would like to get the side income at first, and then if I think that I can go in the long run with Amazon, that's gonna be fantastic because I can quit off my job and get the working full time with Amazon and become my main income lateral. So that's all for joining Amazon's. Well, it's hard to say. Just like randomly, I just was browsing on the website on Google, and then just while I was looking for something that I can do on the side when I have free time, and then all of a sudden I saw your Amazon launcher coming up, and then I clicked to see just like because of the curiosity. So I try to see on the webinars to to see if there's any opportunity to squeeze on, and I think that's why. And later after that, I feel like I was really interested in to knowing more further in regards to how to sell on Amazon, as they can help me. I believe Alex can help me to do the Amazon. I don't know, somehow I can feel, I can trust, and then I can say that how he can help people out there then. So, but then in the matter of fact, then it's really good that I luckily got Alex E as a mentor to help me out for all of my questions, and then he honestly helped me from top to bottom to set to get through with me for all the steps that I really not is good at, and that's all. I feel like the more I practice with Alex, the more I can feel more confident in terms of like selling on Amazon. I believe firstly the course is very personal. Alex and the team helps you out all the way. Either by replying to your text message if you have any question and quickly want to get the answer, or he replies to your email in 1 or 2 days, and then whatever question you put in there. And also he got the Monday and Wednesday training. If you have any question that really need to talk to him, and in addition to that, more importantly, that you can book for the training, personal training phone call in order to help you out for the shipping, for looking for the supplier, or even regarding to searching for your product ideas. So all of the things he helped with all of his heart. I can feel it, and then I strongly believe that's the reason why his business is going very well. I would say for the newbies like me, people should get Alex and the team to help them out, because as a newbie, you do not actually know anything in regard to how to listing, how to find a product, how to get a supplier, and then in terms of the sourcing the company, that's gone really hard. You can go by yourself. However, with the support on the team and the assistance from Alex, then I definitely think that you can do everything easily and then smoothly. I would strongly recommend to who look for anything like dropshipping or going for Amazon to do as a side job. So all the things that you need to do is just join and the training, and then if you are really interested in the webinar, then you can talk to one of the team members so they can help you to answer all of your questions. And then if you need to talk to Alex, and then he's always ready to talk to you and coach you on the way out. And I believe that's how Now I got more confidence when it comes to selling on Amazon, even though I know my products are not listing yet and not ready to sell yet, but then all of the image photos and all of the shipping and then the products, everything is already, and then just wait for the inventory. So I believe it's good to go with the training, and especially with the Amazon launcher coming again.